So if you've been wondering what I record with while I'm out on my wild adventures, today I'm going to give you guys behind the scenes look into everything that I travel with. I'll show you my lightweight, travel-friendly setup that not only looks professional, but it's not going to weigh you down. This is my Sony ZV-1. She's my baby. She is my vlogging hero. Super lightweight, super compact. You can put it in your pocket. It's not that intimidating. It takes great videos and it also takes awesome pictures. But when I want to do something more compact, I go for my little GoPro. This is the GoPro 8. I need to update it, but for now, it's going to get the job done. Plus, you can film underwater. You can also film when it's raining. This is that one when you have some kind of unexpected rain and you feel like you need to get some shots, but you don't want to bring out your other camera. Get your GoPro. This is an OG, but very reliable. This is the Sony A6000. I don't think they make these anymore, but she still works really good. Had to put a little tape there because the little snap thing broke. But all you need to do is get you a little chute for the top. The life battery is not long, so I usually use her when I'm doing some shots like in the sky, or if I want to get something far away, then I would switch this lens for this one because it's like an all-in-one. I love my DJI Mini 3. If it's a beautiful day, not a lot of wind, you can get some really good aerial footage, and I'm telling you, the camera on this is beautiful. It's just perfect. I love it. Stable footage is so important, and I had to learn that the hard way. I've learned my lesson. I'm doing better. However, I do not own a gimbal yet, but I do have this tripod. This tripod is not the best quality, but I like it because it's so compact. It's easy to put in a purse, a backpack. And what I like to do is extend the legs a little bit, and I use it as a selfie stick. See? So it's almost like a 2-in-1. But then when I need it to be stable, I just extend the legs and put it where I want it, and then get whatever shot that I'm trying to get. Got this at Best Buy. I'm going to give a close-up so you can see the name on it. So now let's talk about sound, because you know that's important too. This is the Saramonic shotgun mic, and I've been using this for years. It's not very expensive, but it's very reliable. You can use it in your phone or you can use it on your camera. But this one is my absolute favorite. These are my Rode wireless mics. You can hook it up to your phone or you can hook it up to your camera. Either way, you're going to get awesome sound, and it's just great to have. I have the one with 2 mics just in case one go down. The battery life is really good. But when it comes to lighting, you have to have something, right? Let me show you what I have. This is good for your cell phone. Now, I got this off TikTok, and it actually works really good. It's my Ulanzi, and she has been with me for quite some time. Very lightweight, travel friendly, and it puts off some pretty decent light. But she's not charged up, so I can't show you because I'm so smart. And for editing, I use my laptop, or I use my iPad, or I dump all of my files on this 4 gig My Passport. It's an external drive, and I feel like every content creator should have one. The larger, the better, because video files can be pretty large. But this is a 4 terabyte, and what I would do is, if I travel and I'm not going to be editing on the go, I dump all my files into this, and then when I get home, I go ahead and start cutting and editing my videos. I have extra batteries for all of my cameras. I have SD cards that I keep in this cute little case. I had to take some of them out, but it keeps all my SD cards protected and safe and organized. And that's my travel-friendly filming setup. I keep it light, simple, and effective so I can focus on the adventure and then trying to get the best content that I possibly can while enjoying the adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get more travel, wellness, and lifestyle content. Bye.